Welcome back. We are now going to do the next segment in our Shine series. And this one we are going to add the Tangle Footlights, also by Carol O. And I'm going to add footlights right around the bottom of the S. When I was trying to decide what one I want, I love footlights, and it also has that shine kind of sparkle to it. We're going to start out with our little half circle shapes, or I sometimes call these our little ladybugs that crawl along the line. Seeing how I might have to rotate this so I can draw. And I went all the way around the bottom of the S. And then I am going to fill them in. Okay, now that we have them all filled in, we're going to put a little house over the top. And I guess on Footlights, we could call this, we're just going to put a little lampshade over the top. And I have done Footlights before and forgotten that, and it totally will not work. So you make sure you do that step. And now we're going to draw a stream of light coming out of the center of each one of these little lights. And I like it to come right out of the center. That makes it, and you notice I don't have any string or border for it to end on, so I'm just ending kind of out here in space. Now I'm going to go back to my first one, and I'm going to draw these lights so they kind of ray out like from a flashlight. And I don't want to go any farther than the bottom of that H, because that's going to close that in. Now we'll do the other side. And I am leaving my lights different lengths. Now I'm going to come to my second one. And when my lines reach my first one, they stop like the light's going under. And I can even put another one so they kind of overlap each other. And I will continue to do this. If they're a little wide, I might go back in and put another little line out. And I can alternate back and forth so that it looks like the light kind of intermingles with that first one. And I'm going to go ahead and do all of this footlights, and then we'll come back. Now we have one step left in Footlights. We're going to fill in this little space right here with black. And I go right up to the S and fill that in. And there we have footlights. And usually on my lessons, I will show you how to shade. But we're going to do this entire piece before we do any shading. We've got a little center here that we need to work on. But that will come the next segment of this video. So thanks for watching. Watch for segment number 3 and tangle on.